about Halloween, aren't you? Wait. I said, aren't you? Yeah, this is gonna be the best trick-or-treat party ever because we are gonna dance. We're gonna tell a spooky story, and of course, there will be treats. All right, we gotta make sure that Mickey and Minnie know that we are ready to party. So, say this with me. Mickey's Trick and Treat. Mickey's Trick and Treat. Our Mickey's Trick and Treat.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
It's so good to see you!
Yep, that's the best part of Halloween!
Getting together with friends and dressing up!
Yeah, awesome costumes, you two.
Thanks!
And you all look spooktacular!
Hey, who's ready to dance? Everybody, Halloween is so exciting. Parties everywhere, so inviting.
Time to try some make-believe!
You never know what's up our sleeve. We're gonna overtake the street. So come on, monsters! Stars, show the world just who we are.
Who's excited for Halloween?
You can be anything. Citizens, video gamer, and astronaut. Be a vampire.
Or on that scientist, give it all we got.
Such your stuff.
Be a pretty princess all dressed up in fluff!
Be a creature who's invading us from outer space.
Be a pirate, a bee, or a fly, we
Be a happy place!
It's time to prove your glory. Get on your costume and hit the street. We're back to have some spooky fun. Knocking on doors, that's how it's done.
All right, everybody, let's dance. Come on. I want to see you all groove.
Oh, I love this!
Get on your costume and hit the street. We're back to have some spooky fun. Knocking on doors, that's how it's done.
Yeah, you all know how to shake it.
You sure do! And now it's time for our spooky story. Mickey, you start.
Okay, gather around. It was a brilliant and sunny day.
Mickey, that's not scary.
Oh, you're right. Guess I haven't told many scary stories.
Okay, how about it was a dark and stormy night?
Ooh, spooky.
And we were at... Oh gosh, where were we?
Under the moonlight.
In a graveyard.
Ooh, in a spooky forest. Ooh, and suddenly there was a mysterious castle
With thunder.
and lightning.
And butterflies.
What?
It was getting a little too scary.
Oh, come on, everyone. What flies around a spooky castle on Halloween night? Shout it out. What? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the cutest bat you've ever seen.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. Cute bats.
And suddenly it started to rain.
All right, everybody, let's make rainstorm sounds. Cut your knees like this. And get rain. And harder.
here in Hollywood, I'm my own rap party.
Hey, Goofy, you're just in time. We're telling a spooky story.
Really?
Huh?
I'm out of here.
What?
Whoa! Wait,
Oh, come on, Goof. Look, we're all playing along.
It's not too spooky.
are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure, pal. And there's gonna be treats.
Candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat.
Donald, we have to finish telling our spooky story first. Story! Then treats. Candy, candy! Yeah, yeah. Oh. Sorry, sugar rush. Okay, let's catch up Donald and Goofy on our spooky story.
Here we go. It was a dark and stormy night.
Thunder!
Lightning! Shoot back!
Hey! Wow, scream!
Oh, that's me! This is fun! Then we all got trapped.
Because this wasn't just any castle.
It was the castle
Mad scientist!
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I'm boiling up a potion.
of... Is it a love potion?
Boiling potions a funny notion.
Do not stop the power of mad science! You're all driving me! Crazy!
Real bad.
Run this way! Wait a minute! Ghosts don't have ears! Alright, everybody, who is this? Shout it out!
Just me!
Minnie! Wait, so then who is this, huh?
Hey, Nick, you sure tricked us.
Well, you know, Goofy, this is a trick and treat party.
That's right, Mickey! Alright, everybody, it's time to dance! Come on, let's go! I'm waiting for you now, and you waiting for every time we start this song. It makes me want the candy more. Laugh and dance, spooky tales.
You ran the ghostly trucks.
I'm gonna have